Why Kenya's miracle tree is actually starving farmers. The agroforestry truth. For 50 years, Kenya has planted Grevillea robusta as the miracle tree for agroforestry. Millions of farmers were told it would boost their income. Here's the shocking truth. It's been starving their crops, and a new study proves most agroforestry advice is backwards. The data that agricultural extension officers don't want farmers to see. Behind-the-scenes lesson. Last year, a farmer in Thika shared his story. He'd planted Grevillea 15 years ago after extension officers promised timber income plus better crop yields. But the reality was devastating. Maize yields dropped 40% in the tree rows. Why? Grevillea stays green year-round, competing with crops for light and water during the exact months farmers need maximum growth. The revelation was clear. Farmers had been taught to plant their own competition. The problem isn't agroforestry, it's evergreen agroforestry. The temporal separation framework. Step 1. Identify the competition window. The temporal separation framework starts with timing. Crops need maximum resources March through August. Evergreen trees compete during this exact window. It's like having two athletes fighting for the same lane. Step 2. Deploy deciduous advantage. Step 2. Deploy deciduous advantage. Paulownia hybrid trees stay leafless for 3 months during crop season. No leaves means no light competition, reduced water competition. Crops get full resources when they need them most. Step 3. Maximize both systems. Step 3. Maximize both systems. Crops perform at full potential during growing season. Trees grow fast timber during off-season. Same land, zero competition, double income. Industry insight with study data. The breakthrough study from semi-arid Kenya changes everything. Paulownia fortunei matched Grevillea's growth rates, but with temporal separation of resource use. Translation: same timber income, better crop yields. The study proved what farmers suspected. Evergreen agroforestry has been the wrong model for 50 years. The uncomfortable truth: more trees aren't better if they're competing with your food. Smart agroforestry isn't about planting trees, it's about planting the right trees at the right time. Relationship builder and CTA. What's the biggest agroforestry mistake you've witnessed? Evergreen trees competing with crops? Wrong species for the climate? Share your story in the comments. Every farmer's experience reveals crucial insights. Ready to implement temporal separation agroforestry that actually increases both timber and crop yields? Bioeconomy Solutions specializes in proven deciduous systems. Book a private consultation call at bioeconomysolutions.com to discover how this framework can transform your agricultural operations.